Next, in CSS, we are going to do rotate property, which comes under 2D transformation. It is used to rotate element in clockwise or anti-clockwise direction, depending upon the type of value. If the value is positive, it denotes a clockwise rotation, and if it is negative, it denotes anti-clockwise rotation. So this is our basic HTML code, and here within body section, I'm giving one div class equals to 1. So this is the class which we are going to create later. Within this div, I'm going to create two more divs. Div class equals to 2. This is our first div inside this outer div, and one more div we are creating, div class equals to 3. So this is our main div, and we have assigned a class 1 to it. Inside this one div, we have created one more div whose class is 2, and second div whose class is 3. So we are going to create three classes, 1, 2 and 3. So here within head section, we have to give style tag, and here I'm creating, this is our one class. Here I'm giving border to 1 pixel solid black, background color I'm selecting is yellow, width we are giving is 500 pixel, height is 500 pixel, save it and click on go live. So this is our first div. Now we have to center this div. So here I'll be using margin to auto. It is horizontally centered, but vertically it is. We have to give margin top to bring it in middle. So this is our class 1. Now we are creating class 2. Here also I'm giving border to 1 pixel solid black, background color I'm selecting here is purple. Just selecting some shade of purple, and here I'm giving its opacity to 0.9. Width to 200 pixel, height is also 200 pixel. Save it, and right now it is looking like this. Now we have to bring it in center. So here I'm giving margin top to 150 pixel. Similarly, margin left is also 150 pixel. Save, and right now it is in the center. Now we are creating one more class, that is class 3, and here I'm giving border to 1 pixel solid black, background color here I'm taking is green, I'm taking shade of green, giving opacity to it 0.9. Width is 200 pixel, height is also 200 pixel. Save, and right now it is looking like this. Now we want that it should overlap this div. So what we have to do here is, here in class 1 we have to give position to relative, and here I'm giving position to absolute to our class 2, and here also I'm giving position to absolute to class 3. Save. Now we have to give margins as well. So here I'm giving top margin to be 150 pixel, and bottom margin, sorry, bottom margin, sorry, left margin, margin to be 150 pixel. Save, and now both the boxes, that is class 2 and class 3, are overlapping, means this green box is overlapping that purple box. Now what we have to do here is, we want that this purple box should go under green box, and green box should come above this purple box. So here I'm giving in class 3 Z index, and here I'm giving it -1. Save, and you can see that it has come above this. Now if you want that green box should come about purple box, so here I'm giving, we'll be removing this from here, and we're putting it in class 2. So green box will be above that purple box. Now here we will be rotating this class 2, that is div to which we have assigned class 2, to 45 degrees. So here we'll be using transform property to rotate, and here we have to mention degree. Here I'm giving 45 degree. Save, and right now it is not showing rotation because here we have to remove Z index. Save again, and go live. So this was our 2D transformation rotate property in CSS. Here within class 2 we can remove this, because here we have taken position absolute, so it can work without margin. We can directly mention top and left. Save it, and go live.